For 24 years being in the financial space, the focus has always been around the money perspective of it, not the health and living perspective. And so we've put all this attention on investing in your 401k, the risk of what happens to your money when the markets go up or down. There's been a lack of attention on the health side of living. Because what would it be like to get out there into the future and you are suffering from osteopenia, osteoporosis, your joints ache, your body just hurts. You lack the energy to get up and live life. That's where we want to balance the attention between not just your money, but also your health, and have both of these optimized, running together in the most natural form so you can go out and experience life. I'm Brian Reppel, the proud owner of OsteoStrong Lake Mary.